Welcome to our video about passive income ideas for 2023. If you're looking to generate some extra cash flow while working from home or on the go, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll cover 5 proven passive income ideas that you can start working on today. Whether you're a college student, a stay-at-home parent, or a retiree, these ideas can help you achieve financial freedom and independence. Segment 1: Investing in real estate. One of the most popular and reliable passive income sources is investing in real estate. This can be done in a number of ways, such as purchasing rental properties or investing in real estate investment trusts or REITs. Rental properties can generate monthly cash flow through rent payments, while REITs can provide dividends and long-term capital appreciation. However, it's important to note that investing in real estate requires significant capital upfront and carries some risks. Segment 2: Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another great way to generate passive income. This involves promoting products or services on behalf of companies and earning commissions for every sale made through your referral link. To get started, you will need to choose a niche, build a website or social media presence, and sign up for affiliate programs. With the right approach and marketing strategies, you can earn a substantial amount of passive income through affiliate marketing. Segment 3: Creating online courses. If you have expertise in a particular field or skill, creating and selling online courses can be a lucrative way to earn passive income. Segment 4: E-commerce. E-commerce is another great option for generating passive income. You can create an online store selling products in a particular niche, such as clothing or home decor. You can also use dropship, where you don't hold inventory, but act as the intermediary between the supplier and the customer. E-commerce requires a bit of upfront investment, such as creating a website and marketing your products, but it can be very profitable in the long run. Segment 5: Stock market investments. Finally, investing in the stock market can also be a way to earn passive income. You can invest in stocks, bonds, or mutual funds and earn dividends or capital gains over time. However, it's important to note that the stock market carries risks and requires a long-term investment approach. In conclusion, there are many ways to earn passive income in 2023, and we've covered 5 of the most reliable and proven methods. Whether you choose to invest in real estate, become an affiliate marketer, create online courses, start an e-commerce store, or invest in the stock market, there are opportunities for everyone. Remember to do your research, develop a plan, and stay committed to achieving your financial goals. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more. By subscribing, you'll never miss out on new videos.